Right, we'll be discussing about image location in concave mirror. Image will be formed in concave mirror. It depends upon the position of the object. Okay, so you have it here, position of object from mirror, concave mirror to be exact. We have the image position also from mirror, and then characters of the image being formed and the magnification. Okay, let's try to find out if the object is beyond C. Example, this is our concave mirror here, and the distance from the mirror all the way to that first point here, we call it the focus or focal point, and same distance, twice the focal point, call it 2F or C, all right? And if the object is located beyond C, that's far from C, let's say the object is in this position. So therefore, if the object is beyond C, our image will be formed somewhere in between C and F. And it has these characteristics: real and inverted. So you can see it's inverted compared to our object here, and then it's real because if you could still recall, this is the real side of the mirror and it's going to be the virtual side of the mirror. So it's a real image formed in a real left side of the mirror or the real side of the mirror. And the magnification, if you notice, it's smaller than the object. Next, if the object is at C here, and the image will be formed in concave mirror, will also be at C. Okay, and the image will be formed there. It's gonna be real. It's in the real side of the mirror, and then yeah, still inverted. But this time the magnification is same with the object. So let's try to assume that it's gonna be like this. All right, the image form is like this. If you were gonna have to do the ray diagramming, but we don't have rulers and protractors this time, so it's not gonna be perfect if we will just be doing it by hand. Okay, but let's just have to try. And then okay, just like that, although it's not perfect, but yeah, it points somewhere here. And now we will have another situation in which the object is between C and F. All right, if our object is between C and F, that's right, the image will be formed beyond C, and still real, and then inverted. Okay, and then the size here is now larger than object. Let's try to do it here. So this is our object, and our image form will be beyond C and it's way larger, just like that. If you will try to draw the rays of it, so from the tip of the object going to the mirror, concave mirror, and then passes through the other ray here, going towards the pole of the mirror or center of the mirror, and then it will be reflected at equal angle going to that direction. So if you notice, the rays meet at some point here.